Hey guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC. We're going to talk about BTC on a low degree. We're going to take a look at the 6-hour time frame and what type of price action we could anticipate over the next a few days and so on, right? Especially before the end of the week, because the weekly close could be very, very important going forward, right? It could define what type of bullish momentum we could get going into the second week of October, or the a bearish momentum we could get going into the second week of October and all that good stuff, right? So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to join the public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join some crypto premium, link in the description. Also, you can join the Discord public group or the Discord premium group, right? So now let's go ahead and dive into the analysis regarding BTC, right? So what we said regarding the bearish crossover right here, I like to call it death and golden cross and all that good stuff, but I like to use my 21 EMA over the 50 EMA over the 100 EMA right here. Back in May, exactly May 12th, what happened right here, we got a nasty dump started from like a 57 all the way down, guys, to like a low 30Ks, right? And you can see like right here, just to fast forward it, right? Late July 24th, we got another bullish crossover right here. And what we said back then on a 3D basis was like, guys, it is a 3D reversal, right? You guys know I like the 3D time frame, the 2D time frame, the 6-hour time frame, the 7-day cycle, the 21-day cycle, and the monthly cycle, right? So most of the time, a reversal, okay, start off on the 6-hour time frame. Okay, if you can spot it on the 6-hour time frame, you can fast forward and look for your 2D reversal or your 3D reversal, right? So what we did was, like we said, guys, right here at 33, we've been buying the dip right here. If you've been watching Sun Crypto long enough, you know at 30K, what we said was like, don't be bearish at 30K. It could take like a month, okay, like a 6 to 9 month just to break out below 30K, and we're going to be pulling back up at least to 0.618 and all that good stuff, right? But going back to the reversal pattern we got right here on the 6-hour, if we take a look at it right here, all the moving averages, right, crossed bullish right there. So that was a lower degree confirmation. We got the 6-hour confirmation, we had the 3D confirmation, and at the same time we did have a 2D confirmation right there after we broke out above the 2D 21 EMA right there. Okay, just about like a 35K, we said, guys, it is time to go to the moon and all that good stuff, right? So going back to the 6-hour time frame right here, as now we basically dump right there. Okay, just about like a 45K, we said it's time to get out. We're most likely going to be pulling back down to a 50% to a 0.618. If we do a swing low to swing high right there, as you can see, we dump all the way down to a 50% pullback, just about like a 39.5. We were expecting a move all the way down to like a 38.2, but it did not quite retest the 38.2 support, and we got another bullish crossover right here. So as soon as we got the bullish crossover, we started to be bullish. Okay, we said, guys, the only thing we need, okay, it is going to be what? Our 2D 21 EMA. Okay, if price action can basically break out above the 2D 21 EMA, MACD flips bullish right here, it is going to be a strong bull trend. Why it is going to be a strong bull trend? Right here, we discussed it back in October 2020. As soon as we pump above the 21 EMA, MACD flipped bullish right here, right? What happened? We basically started a bull market. Okay, we started pumping from like a 10K all the way up to a 65K. And even if we go back to the 6-hour time frame, guys, back in October 2020, right here, you can see like we did have a bullish crossover right there on our 6-hour time frame. So it was a clear confirmation of a strong bull market, right? As you can see now, let's go ahead and take a look at the current price action and what we're creating right now, right? So we know we got our bullish crossover. We know price action is above the 2D 21 EMA. We know MACD on the 2D basis, it is still quite bullish, right? So, but the thing is, guys, it is quite important right now to take a look at what we're creating right now. On a 6-hour time frame, we're getting what? A short-term bearish crossover right there. Okay, we got a short-term bearish crossover on our MACD right there. Divergence. Okay, on our RSI, it is divergence. Okay, let's take a look at another thing, guys. our basically price action right here, it is approaching where our 21 EMA, right? However, guys, it is not that bearish. It is just a short-term bearish. I don't think like this bearishness we got right here on our 6-hour time frame going to define the entire trend we got like from 40K right here all the way up to 57K. It is a 40% bump. I don't think like this short-term divergence, right, going to basically negate all the bullishness we got on the 7-day cycle. Right, on the 7-day cycle, you can see like right here, we started pumping from like a 39K, right, all the way up to basically 57. It is a 45% pump right there. So in order to basically wipe out all the bullishness right here, our 6-hour time frame, guys, it is going to play a crucial role. Okay, meaning like we're going to need what, another bearish crossover on our 6-hour time frame. Meaning like we're gonna need our 21 EMA, right, to cross over our 50 EMA, and at the same time to cross over our 100 EMA. And that could take time. That could take time. Okay, I don't think like this bearishness right here going to wipe out all the gains we got like in October. So it looks pretty good. BTC is looking very, very good. Even though we created a short-term bearishness, I don't think it is a bearishness to wipe out all the gains. So as long as we're staying above the 21 EMA on our 2D basis right here, I'm going to remain bullish. As long as MACD it is remaining positive, right, I'm going to remain bullish, right, till we get a bearish crossover, at least on our MACD. Yes, bulls could get, bears actually could get, some excitement and say, hey guys, we got a bearish crossover right here. We got a bearish divergence. However, guys, we do not have a bearish crossover on our 2D basis. So we can't call it bearishness yet. Okay, once we get a crossover, yes, we could call it a bearishness, right? Because we don't know how high this guy can go. Yes, once again, you got a potential bearish divergence right here, but this guy need to cross negative for us to be saying like, oops, let's be cautious. We could be dumping down to our 21 EMA. Okay, that's the worst case scenario in the short term, a potential dump down to like a 48,995, something like that. Okay, 48,936 range, which is currently our 21 EMA on the 2D basis, right? And we're most likely going to get a strong pullback up if that's the case. Because once again, guys, we're going to need these three guys right here, 21, 50, and 100, right, to cross over. And that could take time, guys. That could take time. It could take at least a 20% dump and a 10 to 15% pullback, right? As you can see right here, just to get our crossover, we needed to basically break out 20%. Okay, right here, just to get our crossover, we needed to basically break out to the downside like a 20% again. So these 20% moves, we could get them on the downside, but we can't go to like 100K, 200K, 300K without getting those pullbacks. I'm not saying we will dump 20%, but if markets decide to basically pull back, in the short term, we just have to understand what's going on and basically stay with the macro view, which is going to be our weekly time frame and higher. Okay, weekly time frame and higher, right? All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join the public Telegram group. Link in the description. You can also join the premium group on this premium group on Discord and all that good stuff. Link in the description, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.